So it's a rainy day, rainy afternoon for a wedding, no? So we're here. So this is a reception. So event house ito guys, no? So we're doing 75 people wedding. And pasok tayo. Welcome sa vlog ni Tita Yani. Ayan. Ayan, so that's for welcome note. And ito naman yung buffet natin guys. Ayan. Buffet style. So buffet style naman ngayon, no? So ayan, dito nila kukunin yung mga food. Ayan. So, punta tayo dito. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Meron tayong, so today, meron tayong buffet style. And this is the dining. So Jeremy is chilling, relaxing na lang, no? So this is our coffee area later. Ito yung downstairs level ng bahay. And then water station, and we have dining right here. Chef Mike sa kabila. Hi Chef. Chef Mike is getting ready for the oyster table. Ito yung bar natin, no? Bar, we're providing alcohol tonight guys. So ayan, tingnan natin ang ganda ng mga glassware. Ito yung ayan, so dito magpe-prepare yung bartender natin. Ayan, so ito yung dining. So they're getting ready because they're heading back from ceremony, no, yung guests. So I'm also, while recording this video, I'm also checking everything if it's okay. So the bar looks okay. Ayan, upo sila. And then yung DJ dyan mamaya, no? Dyan mamaya yung DJ. And then, in this room, dito natin ipiprepare yung appetizer. Hi!
Hello!
Welcome to my vlog! My vlog! Thank you! So, yun sila yung magano na appetizer. So, kanina, dapat na, maganda sana yung setup guys. No, kaso maulan. So, everything's moved inside na kasi umulan. And, Chef Mike, you need water pitcher to pour the ice in here.
Or I can dump it.
Dump it.
Yeah.
And then the sauces right here, Chef.
Perfect. Thank you. I'll set it up.
You're welcome. Thank you. The linen is blowing.
Yeah, I got
I
you.
might probably, we'll just take the white linen off.
Okay.
Here. Actually, I'll come back. I'll get Jeremy. I'll get Jeremy, Chef. Ayan. Saglit lang, guys. Okay. Masyadong mahangin. Jeremy? Jeremy, can you help? Sorry to interrupt. Can you help Chef Mike to take the white linen off? It's blowing. It's gonna blow to the sauces. Huh? I'm sorry? We're good. Thank you. Ayan. So, mahangin kasi. So, yun talaga yung problema pag maulan na weather, no? So, niredo nila. And maulan guys, sayang. Maganda sana ito pag di maulan. Ayan na. Dito dapat ang So, ito yung lazy river. This lazy river. Ayan, ang ganda. So, it's pouring right now. Sayang. So, ipakita ko. Ukyat tayo. Meron dito. So, dapat dito kasi and then yan ang dagat. Diyan. So, dagat yan. So, papunta tayo na sa taas. So, makyat lang ako. Ayan ang dagat. Ha? Ocean view. Kita niya maulan. Galit ang panahon. Ayan. So, we're going here. So, you can see papunta ito ng second floor bahay. This way, so ayan ang buong bahay. So we're in the second floor guys. Ayan, so makyat lang tayo dito. Lazy River. Ang ganda sana yan kaso umulan. Ayan, and then tayo, pasok. Pasok tayo dito. Umpisa na yung party. Pabalik na. So, ito. Ayan. Ang ganda guys, no? Ayan, oh. Kitang-kita nyo yung lace. Ito yung second floor ng bahay. So, labas tayo. Yung food truck na sa kabila. Ito 75 people. It's very chill lang, no? Very relaxed. So, game room ito. Ayan. So, doon tayo galing kanina. Tingnan nyo ang view. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view ng ocean doon. Sobrang ganda ng view. So, 10 minutes na lang before mag-start ang cocktail hour. So, akyat tayo sa bahay. So, ito, merong 20 bedroom. So, this house is 20 bedroom. And, ito yung for small events, sometimes dito din tayo nag-cater. Ayan, ganda ng kitchen, no? Ayan. So, may ocean view din dito. Nasa third floor tayo ng bahay, guys. Ito mga bahay na to may elevator. Ayan ang view. So, ayan yung view pag nagluluto tayo, no? So, ganda ng kitchen. Merong industrial. Lahat industrial ito. May dishwasher dito. Ayan. Dalawang nagsisilakihang refrigerator with freezer. Industrial stove. Ito yung mga ano sa rental. Ito yung sink. Ayan. Meron dito oven. Dalawang oven. And another refrigerator with freezer. So, ayan ang kabuuan ng kitchen. So, I like cooking. I like working in this kitchen, guys, kasi maganda ang view, no? Lalo na pag hindi umulan. Pag maaraw. Ayan. Ganda. Very relaxing. Wala pang tao. And then, elevator. May elevator yan. So, dito, yung mga bedroom. Hindi natin pwedeng pasukin kasi mga bedroom yan ng guest. Ayan. So, ayan guys, yung stairs. So, yan siya, dyan is elevator and then yung stairs papunta sa baba. So, bababa tayo. Nasa third floor tayo ngayon. Ayan. Same thing, yun ang view. No, sa second floor. So, mga bedrooms. So, may bedroom dyan. Bedroom din dyan. Ito bedroom. Ayan. Dito ang sa second floor ang game room. So, may mga bedroom dyan siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parang 8 ata. 8 ang room dito. Dito naman sa baba. Ayan. Ayan. And then we have welcome champagne. We have welcome champagne here. So, bibigay natin yan mamaya sa guest pagdating nila. So, yan yung bali ang
this one set up. We did a good job.
and then this one, dito sila kakain. Ayan.